All right, well, those frigid cold temps, just not in our mountains. We continue our live team coverage with KCAL News reporter Jake Reiner in Stevenson Ranch. Jake?
Juan, it's cold out here, and I gotta say, you know, this scarf and jacket may be a little overkill, but at least I'm comfortable. Take a look. You can see these flags moving too. The wind is kind of whipping through. Not too bad, but like I said, it just makes the cold that much worse.
It's not only surprising, I'm like, wow, what's wrong with this weather? This is not LA.
You don't need your weather app to tell you it's cold. Only how cold in Santa Clarita.
It was freezing.
Daniela Freeman just returned from her home country of Italy. She felt the cold SoCal air and thought, I need a new wardrobe.
I just got those clothes, they're new.
And she needed the new clothes like now.
I didn't have this in my closet.
You didn't have it in your closet?
No, I just got it from 3 people. Now, I just got it now.
You just bought it?
Yeah, in the hat too, in the scarf, and this jacket, and this jacket.
And she wasn't alone. Most people we saw heading into the Whole Foods were bundled up, grabbing dinner and last-minute Valentine's Day flowers. Ellen, tell me what it's like out here.
It's cold. It's very cold.
But even as cold as Ellen McCartney felt, she knows the West Coast always has it better than the East Coast, where she's from.
I feel like we can't really complain, but we have had more stretches of just chillier than normal.
You're taking a live look at the 5 northbound, and with the wind whipping, those high-profile vehicles like those big rigs got to be careful in this type of weather. And I understand that we're on the West Coast and the East Coast has it worse, but guys, cold is cold, and it is cold here on the West Coast. I don't care what anybody says. I'll send it back to you.
And we believe you, Jake. All right. Well, the wind created dangerous conditions for drivers in the high desert. This is video.